Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check the size of a Steam game on your disc. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see several tabs there, and you'll want to click on Library. This is where all your installed and available games are organized, making it easy to manage and view details about each one. Now, once you're in your library, take a look at the left panel where all your games are listed. This panel displays every game you own on Steam, whether it's installed or not. Scroll through this list and locate the specific game you want to check the disk size for. Once you've found it, right-click on the game title. This will bring up a context menu with several options related to that particular game. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Properties. This option opens a detailed settings window specifically for that game, where you can access various information and configuration options. The Properties window is particularly useful because it gives you deep insights into the game's installation, updates, and storage requirements. Once the Properties window opens, you'll notice another panel on the left side with several tabs. Navigate to this panel and click on Installed Files. This tab is specifically designed to show you everything related to the game's installation on your computer, including file locations and storage usage. After clicking on Installed Files, you'll immediately see the information you're looking for displayed at the top of this section. Here, Steam will show you two key pieces of information: size on disk and installation location. The size on disk tells you exactly how much storage space the game is currently taking up on your hard drive, while the installation location shows you the specific folder path where the game files are stored. This is incredibly helpful if you're trying to manage your disk space or need to free up room for other games or files. And that's it. You now know exactly how much space your Steam game is using on your disk, along with where it's stored on your computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.